These are the Amazon 4-leaf LED lights. I don't know. They're pretty decent for overall for the price, but two sets. These both broke, so screw holes that broke. I don't know if you can see it in there. I'm just going to JB weld or epoxy around the edges just to hold it all in place. So I don't know, they're cheap enough. Quick, easy fix. Amazon refunded me the money for them, but it wasn't the point. It was just the principle. Got them. One was broken already, and I just broke the other one today just by pulling it out of the box. So, give me a sec. Right. Got JB Weld plastic bond. I use this on a bunch of other stuff. Using a bamboo skewer. You could probably use a toothpick or something along the sorts. Makes it easy. Nice, easy to mix this stuff with. See all the wires. Oh yeah, they're all lined up. Alright, let's get mixing. Oops. Well, I mix it 50-50, or at least as best as possible. Because I've used this tube numerous times. It's starting to get a little crusty in there. So when you first use it, it's kind of a bit of a pain, but it works. It works. Just mix it till it's even colors. Sorry, I'm doing this outside, so a lot of background noise, but see. Quick, easy fix anyways. This one will be the easy one of the two. The other one will be just as easy. It's just the wires aren't in place. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to. Why? Because I can. Just trying to apply it to the outer seams only. This is completely redneck. I did not prep this properly, but being a light, you should unscrew and screw in pretty easy. Give me a second to get back after I'm done. Once I get going on the next one. Still on the first one, just trying to hold it down until the stuff sets a little bit. Oh yeah, staying down. Not really too worried about the cosmetics of the JB Weld personally. So once it's hanging up, you ain't gonna be looking at it again. Okay, that side looks alright. They look alright. Okay, off to the next one. Well, okay, here's the second one. Let's get the wires all lined up. At least as best as possible. Nope, I think I'm going to have to wrestle this one after I get the JB Weld in place. Let's see, still... Oh yeah, this one's still good. Perfect. Hasn't started to set yet, so should be alright. Like I say, since I'm not too concerned about the cosmetic look of, like how this works out, as long as it holds, that's all I'm after. I'm not going to be looking at this again anyways. Hang them up and leave them till they need to be replaced. I think these ones were the 8,000 lumen ones, I do believe. Both of them were, I think it was $30 or something off Amazon. That's 30 Canadian too, but kind of like the fact because you can move them around, angle them to, or aim them wherever you want to aim them. And they seem to be pretty bright. I tested one of them when I first got it. Not this one. This one was the broken one originally. But the first one did that redneck fix too. That was the one I first tested. It seemed alright. Tried it in my kitchen and living room in the lamp. seems awfully bright, but at the same time, and we'll see how it does in a darker room after. It's supposed to be 15, I think this stuff's the 15-minute JB Weld, but it's definitely, for whatever reason, takes a lot longer than 15 minutes to cure, or not to cure, to dry up a bit. Okay, let's see, get in place here. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, that's what it's hooking at. There we go. And that is it. Let the stuff dry and test it out.